हेलो गाइस। अगर आप एक कॉलेज स्टूडेंट हैं तो ये वीडियो एंड तक देखिएगा। लेट मी आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन। हाउ मेनी टाइम्स हैव यू सैट डाउन टू स्टडी और राइट समथिंग ऑन लिंक्डइन एंड थॉट, यार स्टार्ट कहां से करूं? वेयर डू आई इवन स्टार्ट? What if I told you that with just the right set of keywords, you could get ChatGPT to become your mentor, career coach, study buddy, LinkedIn content planner, all in one? Sounds crazy, right? But that is exactly what we are going to unlock in this video today. I want you to understand this, that ChatGPT could become very powerful if you give a right set of prompts. That is known as prompt engineering. Now, ये वीडियो prompt engineering पे नहीं है, but in this video, I am going to share some very powerful prompts that you can use as a college student. Once you understand how powerful this is, you are never gonna go back to the old way of studying. All right, let's dive in. All right. I am sure you know what this is. This is exactly how your ChatGPT would look like. Well, this is me playing around with ChatGPT a bit. But let's start with prompt number one. Suppose you are a finance student and there is a concept of weighted average cost of capital. A lot of students face problems or confusion in that concept. Although the concept is very simple, but let's take a hypothetical situation that you are someone who is confused about that concept of weighted average cost of capital. Let's see how ChatGPT can act as your finance professor and explain it to you. All right. Because in interest of time, I have written the prompt for you. I will just copy paste. I will also give the download link of this file in the description of this video so that you can download the same. All right, prompt number one coming your way. So what I have written is act as a finance professor who is an expert in finance. एक चीज का ध्यान रखिएगा दोस्तों, whenever you are giving a prompt to ChatGPT, divide your prompt into three parts: role, context, and task. Tell GPT to assume a role, give the context, and then ask for something. All right. So role, context, and task. All right. So what we have done is act as a finance professor who is an expert in finance. I am struggling to understand weighted average cost of capital. Please explain it step by step in very simple terms, like I am new to finance. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, शर्माने की कोई भी बात नहीं है। जितना आप उसको बोलोगे कि बच्चों की तरह समझाए, वो उतना ज्यादा अच्छे से समझाएगा और आपको उतना ही बेटर समझ आएगा। राइट? तो इसमें शर्माने की कोई बात नहीं है। जब मुझे चैट जीपीटी यूज करना पड़ता है, मैं खुद बोलता हूँ कि मुझे एक्सेल नहीं आता बॉस, मुझे ये चीज नहीं आती, अब समझाओ बच्चों की तरह। राइट? ऑलराइट, सो दैट्स हाउ इट इज. Please explain it step by step in very simple terms, like I am new to finance. Then show me how Apple actually calculates WACC in its 2023 financials. Ab game interesting ho rahi hai. Finally, give me a short professional version that I can use in my exam notes. Let's see what GPT does. All right. All right. Thinking longer for a better answer. Okay. Good. One more thing, guys. I am using the paid version. Although it's a great investment and you should be doing that investment, अगर आप free version पे भी कर रहे हैं, it's absolutely fine. All right, calculating Apple's WACC for 2023. Interesting. I could wait for this. All right, so here it is. WACC explained like you are new to finance. All right, what it is: the average return a company must earn from its business to keep both the shareholders and lenders happy. Sounds good. Why it matters, a simple formula and its explanation, and also how Apple computes WAC for 2023 numbers. All right, it gives you everything in simple terms. It also gives you a short professional exam note version. Amazing. Super. All right. One amazing thing that has been added on is that the links. It gives you the links. All right. So you can go verify the stuff, and it's super simple, super amazing. All right. That was number one. That was when you wanted to understand a concept. Situation number two. You are working on Excel and you do not understand the XLOOKUP function. You want to understand the XLOOKUP function. And then you're thinking, kahan se seekhu? From where should I learn? That's ChatGPT coming to your rescue again. All right, act as an Excel expert. Please explain the XLOOKUP function in simple language, assuming I don't have much experience with Excel. Also take an example and explain using the same. All right, let's see what it does. Okay, let's make XLOOKUP feel like your new best friend in Excel. Okay, great. So this is how GPT explains you the XLOOKUP function, the syntax, and the example and the related computation. Oh, amazing. Why is it better than VLOOKUP? This is great. All right, that was prompt number two. The third one, suppose you are having an exam and you want to make a study plan. You want GPT to help you make a study plan for you. All right, that's GPT coming to your rescue again. GPT, act as my productivity coach. I have 15 days left to prepare for my college exams. I can study 4 hours daily. Please create a detailed day by day study plan in a table format with day, topics, and hours. Keep the tone motivating and add a few smart revision hacks that I can use to plan and study smart. Uh, let's do something else. Let's make it more specific. Let's say you have 15 days left to prepare for your accountancy college exams. You have accounts exam in 15 days and you want to prepare for it. Let's see how GPT helps. All right, that's 15-day accounting study plan. Amazing. Day by day breakup. And if you are a college student, the topics here would sound really familiar. All right, so that's GPT coming to your rescue again. Now, this was all about you studying, trying to learn something. What if, and this happens everywhere, that this might have happened with you as well. What if you want to reach out to someone on LinkedIn? We always think, yaar, log reply nahi kar rahe. People are not replying, right? I get this complaint a lot from the students, right? So let's see, can we have a better message to shoot it out to the people out there? Let's see. All right. Okay, so I said, hi GPT, act as my LinkedIn networking coach. I want to connect with finance professionals at JP Morgan. Write me 3 connection request messages, one formal professional, one friendly student style, and one directly asking for guidance. Keep each under 250 characters, polite and value driven. Let's see what it gives you. All right. Hi, the name. I admire your work at JP Morgan. I'm building my career in finance and would be honored to connect and learn from your professional journey. That's a professional message to shoot it out. The first message. देखो guys, problem क्या होती है? A lot of us, what we are doing is, as students, and a lot of professionals also do that mistake. When somebody accepts your connection request, we shoot out a very long message saying that, okay, hi, this, I'm this, I want your help on this. Why? Do I know you personally? Does that person know you? Why would the person help? That's where rapport building comes into the picture. You need to prepare rapport, right? Friendly style. Hi, I'm a finance student exploring careers in investment banking. I'd love to connect with you to stay inspired by your work at JP Morgan and learn from your posts, right? Dekho, when you send a message like this, right, the other person feels something nice inside, right? When you say that, okay, I want to stay inspired by your work and learn from your post, the other person feels something nice inside, right? And that's where you're gonna probably start breaking that level of ice. All right. So that is what I wanted to show you in this video. Now there can be n number of prompts. I have n number of prompts that I can share and you can use it. But do something else today. Take out some time after you see this video, of course, and after you subscribe to this channel and hit that like button. After that, what I want you to do is I want uh, if you can try using ChatGPT for your work. Try creating a prompt. Remember to break the prompt into three parts: role, context, and ask. Right? So we all will be doing one thing now. After this video, after you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, you will be using ChatGPT for your task. एक चीज और ध्यान रखना, whenever GPT gives you the answer, try to challenge it. That way, GPT will learn how you need the answer. Now, that is very specific to you, to me, to somebody else. We all understand how LLMs work, right? How GPT is working. It learns from the inputs that you give. So, जब आपको पहला आंसर मिले, whenever you get the first answer, don't just keep blindly accepting the first answers. Challenge GPT. जितना चैलेंज करोगे उतना वो सीखेगा and it will learn to give you better answers. All right, so we all do will do this. In case you need any assistance with this, hit me out on LinkedIn, guys. I will be more than happy to help you. Now you know how to reach out to people. God bless.